Hi there, and thank you so much for tuning in today and taking just a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. How do you get started with Young Living essential oils? Well, today we're going to cover that. My name is Missy. I am a stay-at-home mom and blogger over at thehomemadelife.com, an absolute lover of health and wellness, and today we're going to talk about oils because I love them. So you've heard all about them, you hear your friends and family are talking about them, but you're not quite sure how to get started. Well, I'm going to help you do that today. So what you're going to do is first go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can get all the oily information going forward. As you can hear, my little guy is being a dinosaur in the background, and I am a mom. So below there'll be a link on how you can get started. What you'll want to do is you'll want to choose the member option. What that will do is it'll allow you to get the premium starter kit at a great price, as well as give you 24% off of all of Young Living products up to an entire year. Super awesome. From there, you'll go ahead and pick the diffuser you want. I absolutely love the Dewdrop diffuser, which is that one right there. You'll also get 11 essential oils. These are great everyday essential oils that kind of just help you get started in your essential oil journey. They're absolutely awesome. And if you want to grab them from me, I'm going to give you a deal, and here's why. I love essential oils. They have blessed the socks off of my family, and we use them for everything, and they're tremendously amazing, and I know that you're going to love them too. So I want to encourage you to get started by giving you a deal. So if you go ahead and grab the essential oils from the link below and get started, I will give them to you for $129 plus shipping. So that is $30 off of the Young Living starter kit. It's regularly $160. All I need you to do is just connect with me through my email or one of my social media channels and let me know that you watched this video and you would like to take advantage of that deal, and I can get those resources, that money, back to you via an account credit or PayPal, whichever works best for you. You will also be getting this booklet, Flourish, which covers all of the oils in the kit and how to use them, some really fun DIY recipes, and a few other tidbits of information that you might want to know, okay? You'll also be getting 150 uses. This is a phenomenal book. It again covers all of the oils in the starter kit and will help you get started on your journey. We would also love to welcome you to our Facebook community where you can ask questions, interact, and just learn how to use these amazing, amazing products. So that is a simple way to get started with Young Living. I'd love for you to join my team and just journey with us in the world of essential oils. It is super fun. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to get started, I'd love to have you join my team. I'll put all the information below. Again, I'm throwing this at you, having you grab the starter kit at a great price because I know you're gonna love oils just as much as me and my family. So I hope you have a super blessed day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.